Welcome back, Be Breadwinners, to another video. I wanted to kick off the risk versus reward video series where I'm talking about all the income streams. And many of you have asked for this. I've done some videos kind of like it, but I wanted to dive in so you would know kind of what to expect from this series, because everything that we pursue in life has risks, it has rewards, right? So in this video series, each day I will be releasing a video about an income stream that I'm pursuing, and I'm going to share those income streams with you right now with a little bit of background of each. So we're going to go through each video. I'm going to share the rewards, and then I'm going to share the risks. And I'm looking for your feedback on, have you done this income stream? What questions do you have about this income stream? And if there's income streams that I am missing, because this is the income streams that have made me over $500. Okay. So I'm not including anything that really hasn't picked up yet. I am including one that I am working on that hasn't made me anything yet because I'm already doing videos about it on YouTube. So affiliate marketing is one of the income streams that is incredible for you to consider. And that's when you're promoting someone else's product. And you guys have seen my video tutorials on that. And even last week you saw that I did a post about how affiliate marketing paid for all of the paint expenses for the rental unit that we're working on. So it is an incredible way to use your time to leverage someone else's product. The next income stream, which is course creation, I started doing this in 2018, and that's when affiliate marketing kind of picked up for me as well. Course creation is anytime that you're taking the knowledge that you have mastered or learned and you're putting it in a format that other people can learn from. You can do master classes, you can do progressive lessons where people go through it, you can do one-to-one coaching with this. There's a lot of different ways to do course creation. To find a way that works best for you is the key. We'll be doing a video on that. Of course, many of you are here because of Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, and this has been a really fun, high risk, high reward time. There's just so many things with this. It has to have its own video, right? All these have to have their own video. The next one is the YouTube Partner Program. You've seen me do a couple videos on this, and I kind of suspect that many of you are not interested in growing a YouTube channel. Please prove me wrong. The next one is real estate investing. I'm going to give you a little bit about my journey and kind of our 3 rules that we follow for real estate investing that we made up ourselves. And then medium writing, I'll be doing a video on that as I am working to build this income stream. So I am been thinking about this a lot, mostly because of my experience with Amazon KDP, where there was all this gold to be found and then it became very stressful. So I've been thinking a lot about risk versus reward, because a lot of people say, like, there's a lot, you need to endure the risk for the reward, but a lot of people don't talk about when the risk actually happens. And so that's kind of what inspired this series, because I want to just talk about it a little bit more so you learn from my mistakes, because I made mistakes. I make mistakes all the time. Ask my kids. Okay, so risk versus reward. And I want to work on this deeper because I want to come up with something where we know on a scale from 1 to 5, like the risk is a 1 and the rewards is a 5. And so you kind of know what you're getting into, or, you know, what each income stream could be. I'm not going to give those to you in the video. You can certainly come up with it and say, I think this is a high risk and high reward, or this is a high risk, low reward. I think sometimes when you start out with income streams, you think it's really high risk because it takes a lot of your time, and then you don't see the rewards. And that's just very myopic sites. That's very myopic thinking, where journeys take time, right? Like, so many times it's easier to turn off a show in the first 5 minutes if it didn't do what it wanted for you. And then there's some where you give it a chance and you're like, I am so glad I watched that pan out. I'm so glad I did that. Income streams are really similar. Like, you cannot go into it thinking about overnight success. And that has been my mindset with YouTube, because I know YouTube is a long game. So I'm not going to complain about how long it takes to make a video. I'm just going to put in the time, because I want to transform my business with YouTube. I want to find more people. I want a bunch of people to learn from my mistakes. So anyways, I'm excited for this series, and let me know if I need to include anything else in this series. It will be an overview of the risks and rewards, so you can think about if there's any income streams you haven't been pursuing. And I'm here to tell you that you can pursue multiple income streams. You can see that some of mine don't make as much as others, but that has just been a direct reflection of where I'm spending my time also, and understanding the platform. So I've uploaded about the same amount of books on KDP as I have videos on YouTube, and the income is not even comparable from KDP to YouTube, but YouTube seems to fit what I'm looking for long-term goals. I always want passive income, right? But we're going to break down each one, because sometimes you can't compare them, right? Like, YouTube is not really the same thing as KDP. So anyways, drop any questions you have, and I'm excited to hear from you guys. Love you lots. Peace out.